Vigorous day, everyone! This is Match sa Matcha, and I'm Rizzo, your resident matcha girly! And I'm here to try weird matcha combinations so you don't have to. Ano na, let's go! Chingu Cafe. Ang Chingu ay friends, di ba? Ano papakita? That is green. Impressive! 60 pesos yung sa 7-Eleven. Hindi ko alam kung magkano siya sa iba. So, yeah. Naghahanap ako ng hangover cure. I guess this is it. Oh! Bitch! Hindi masyadong lasa yung matcha, pero it's there. For 60 pesos, it's okay. For 60 pesos, this is 7 out of 10. Sarap pa din. May hangover pa din. Pero okay.